In this video, we'll walk you through the unboxing, wall installation, and setup of the Ring Stick-Up Cam battery. Let's get started. Unboxing. In this segment, we provide a quick overview of the Ring Stick-Up Cam battery during the unboxing process. The Ring Stick-Up Cam battery is a flexible, battery-powered security camera that can be used both indoors and outdoors. You can see, hear, and talk to visitors from your phone, tablet, or even a compatible Echo device. It features 1080p HD video quality and two-way talk, so you can clearly view and communicate with anyone near your camera. The Live View feature on the Ring app lets you check in on your home at any time. The camera can be placed on a flat surface or be mounted to a wall with the included mounting plate. You can also connect multiple stick-up cams to the Ring app to monitor your entire home. Setup is simple, with a step-by-step walkthrough available in the included setup guide, within the app, or on their website. What's inside the box? You'll find the Stick-Up Cam battery, with the quick-release battery pack already inside the device, a USB charging cable, setup guide, window decal, warranty and safety information, as well as screws and wall anchors. Preparing for installation. Now, let's get ready to install the camera. Remove all packaging material and peel off the protective film from the camera and lens. Twist the battery compartment counterclockwise to unlock and remove the cover. Take out the battery and remove the orange battery insulator. Use the included USB cable to charge the battery. A red and green light means it's charging. When the light turns solid green, it's fully charged. Unscrew the mounting plate from the base of the device. Slide the mounting plate downward to remove it from the base. Next, remove the rubber cover from the mounting slot, as well as the rubber plug covering the screw hole at the base. This is where you'll later insert the screw to lock the battery compartment. Now, attach the base to the back of the camera and tighten the screw securely. Once the battery is fully charged, insert it into the compartment. Then, replace the battery compartment cover. Take the rubber cover you removed from the back of the camera and place it onto the base. Finally, insert and tighten the screw at the bottom to lock the battery compartment in place. How to install. Use the included mounting plate to mark the screw hole positions on the wall. Drill the holes. Then insert the provided wall anchors. Screw the mounting plate into place, making sure it's secure. Now, align and attach the stick-up cam to the mounting plate, ensuring it locks securely into place. Set up the device in the Ring app. Download the Ring app. Create or log in to your Ring account. Tap Set up a device. Select Security Cams. Tap I'm ready to scan and scan the QR code on the device. A green square will appear when the QR code is successfully scanned. Once the device is detected, follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete the setup. For more details, refer to the setup guide included in the box or visit the official website. Disclaimer: this do-it-yourself guide explains how to install the stick-up cam battery. If you're unsure about any part of the instructions or lack technical experience, it's strongly recommended to contact a licensed professional.